What is important to become a fashion designer? To become a fashion designer, focus on these key points. 1. Creativity. Develop a unique design aesthetic. 2. Skills. Master sketching, sewing, and pattern making. 3. Fashion knowledge. Stay updated on trends and history. 4. Business acumen. Understand marketing and branding. 5. Network. Build industry connections. 6. Portfolio. Create a strong showcase of your work. 7. Adaptability. Stay open to learning and evolving. 8. Quality. Pay attention to detail and strive for excellence. 9. Resilience. Be prepared for setbacks and rejection. 10. Ethical practices. Consider sustainability in your designs. These essentials will help you become a successful fashion designer. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos.